Ben from HowToBushcraft here. Today I'm showing another notch. We're going to do the cabin notch, and I saw it in this Bushcraft 101 book. Also, for the cabin notch, it's going to be a straight cut. We're going to have a straight cut down and over and up. You want to leave more wood here in this section because you want this to be strong enough not to break. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate the cabin notch, but by using a technique called batoning. All right, you're going to set up your knife and use a baton. Here, you can come in at an angle. You can ride along that stop cut if you need to. Okay, so I have half of this cabin notch made, and right now as it stands it looks like a steak notch. Okay, so here you have your straight piece and then you have your angled piece coming in here. So now I'm going to come in from the other side, and you know, a smaller knife might be better for getting in some of the detail in there. Okay, but this knife is just doing just fine here. We have a cabin. If I have, let's say, another cabin notch here, then I can lash those together for a very strong brace. Anywhere where you would need to kind of bound two sticks together or multiple. So that is the cabin notch.